In this lesson, I will teach you 3 leadership skills you need to learn today. A leader is a person who helps people take responsibility for achieving a common goal in a group, whether you are a supervisor, a parent, a coach, a politician, or any other position that puts you at the forefront with a leadership role to play. A successful leader must know how to help people surpass themselves to obtain maximum results and reach their full potential. A successful leader is one who helps build trust in people so that they become increasingly autonomous and choose the best options based on the desired collective results. Here are the 3 most essential qualities required of a leader to achieve this accountability. Communicate your goals and why you want to achieve those results. If you want people to help you with your goals and vision, you need to know where you want to go. These goals must be easy to understand, and they must be measurable so that the people under your responsibility can evaluate them and know where they are at any point in the process. Once you have made your goals known, you need to identify and communicate why you want to achieve them. The more robust and more solid your reasonings to reach that goal are, the greater your chances of achieving your target. It's also a good thing to add other people's input and make sure that they also align with your vision. Use retroactive communication to ensure a common understanding. It's not what you say that's important. It's what people understand and take away from your message, which is very different. Many leaders assume that saying it once or even twice automatically implies that team members have understood the information and that they will all act on what you have communicated to them. As a leader, it is important to check the level of understanding among the people. Good leaders question a lot and repeat their message, making sure that each time it is presented differently until the speaker's knowledge has been captured and understood 100%. Be a role model by your communication and actions. The successful leader is an example not only in what he communicates, but especially in his behavior, because his actions produce a much stronger effect than what he says. It will always be challenging for him to be a good leader if his actions are not in perfect harmony with his words. Integrity is fundamental when people look up to you. People are reluctant to follow a leader who asks others to do things he cannot do himself. The values you believe in and have established must be lived by you first. Otherwise, you will be considered a wannabe. If your behaviors and communication do not position you as an example to follow, you are engaging in a never-ending battle with your subordinates. It doesn't matter what your role as a leader is. The cornerstone of success is your ability to get people to work effectively. You must bring group synergy towards a common goal, whether it is in a company, a family, a group of friends, or volunteer work. Becoming an excellent leader is a daily and permanent learning process. Although some people are better predisposed to become a good leader, you are not born a leader. You become one. Therefore, apply yourself every day to improve the 3 qualities mentioned above, and indeed, sooner or later, you will get exceptional results from your team.